All right, welcome back to the Khalishiwa Stadium out in Kimberley. As I said earlier in my intro, it is the official venue for the 2016 National Heritage Day celebrations. And of course, we can't come all the way to the Northern Cape and not speak to our host. And of course, with me is the Premier of the Northern Cape, Ms. Sylvia Lucas, who's going to tell us what can we expect at Khalishiwa Stadium. Loads of activity at the moment, getting ready for the Deputy President Cyril Ramaphosa to also arrive. Premier, good morning. Thank you so much for hosting us.
Good morning, Lebo. Good morning to the viewers, and welcome to Kimberley.
We were talking about the activities that had started on Wednesday already. What's been in place since we kicked off Heritage Month?
There's been a few built-up programs for Heritage Month, but notably was the fact that there was a memorial lecture about Sol Plaatje himself, especially for people that doesn't really know the history of Sol Plaatje, of how he was the first person that was the General Secretary or the Secretary General of the ANC, but also the fact that Sol Plaatje have actually produced Shakespeare in Tswana, and that is something that is so incredible if you think about it. And that is why I say it, for me, it's one of the highlights that actually took place within the space of what has been happening since Wednesday. But also last night where the Golden Shield Heritage Awards here in Kimberley, where people have been in different categories have received awards for their role that they are playing in the heritage sphere, which was something very wonderful. We've been hosted, and we've also became to know more about different categories and how young people is actually involved in the preservation of our heritage and our culture, which is something that is quite praiseworthy.
And in your opinion, why is it important for us to be talking about heritage in the first place?
I think if you don't have an identity as a nation, then you cannot be a nation that stand up with pride and say, I have got this background, I've got this heritage, I am from there, I am from here, I am doing this and that because of the fact that my ancestors and my great grandparents or whoever has instilled this in me to tell me that is who we are. That is what we need to display to others to know that we've got an identity. So that is what makes heritage very important. It's also important that we honor those that actually gave us this heritage, what we are having today. A heritage is just like a legacy, and you can never wish your legacy away because that defines who you are.
Let's talk about today's activities. What can we look forward to at the Khalishiwa Stadium today?
In particular, the fact that the Deputy President will be delivering the keynote address on Heritage 2016, which is based on the theme of celebrating our human treasures, but by asserting our African identity, which is quite a mouthful, but it's also very important. It's bringing us back to the fact that we must know that you must come from somewhere to be en route to somewhere. So that is why today we're expecting quite a few people, more than 5,000 that we are expecting here. You can see we have prepared to receive quite a few people, but we also, people usually say, we always speak about the entertainment afterwards, but there is also quite a layout with regards to what will be happening after the speeches and all the formalities that will be taking place here today. The only thing that we hope is that the people that are seeing us now, that are within reach of Khalishiwa Stadium, will come and listen to the message that not only the Deputy President, but also the Minister of Arts and Culture and other speakers have for them, just to make sure that we are on a common level of what we are expecting from our heritage.
All right, Premier, thank you so much for always being such an amazing host.
Thank you very much, Lebo.
Premier of the Northern Cape, Ms. Sylvia Lucas, talking to us about the activities lined up for National Heritage Day 2016 celebrations. As she said, the Minister of Arts and Culture, Nathi Mthethwa, is also going to be here. Cyril Ramaphosa, the Deputy President of South Africa. All right, soon we'll be talking to Welcome Somi to touch on the Living Legends program. What does this program actually do? All right, let's take a quick ad break. We'll give you sports news and then our performance from Lee These are good at around 25 past 7. Stay with us.